Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in this great July month. My name is Gary Christians and I've got some nice trailers. We're going to take you all the way to the summit with a Catalina series. Nice, small, lightweight travel trailer, very inexpensive, weights 3,300 pounds. Let's take a pop inside and look and see what we got. It's a rear bathroom. Come on inside. So, got good room in the shower, skylight up above, plenty of room, medicine cabinets, his and hers. Oh, wait a minute, hers and her, yeah. Anyway, there's medicine cabinets, good counter space on the sink. Whoa, the valve works on the toilet. Storage down below. Got a little shelf, your power cord sticks in here. Light switch in here. Big double door refrigerator, very nice. Nor cold. Latch on the top, bottom, nice deep tray. If you ever have something melt, it'll fill this up and it won't come over the lip. It's a nice safety feature. Circuit panels, fuses, circuit breakers, propane, 2-burner stove, partridge in a pear tree right in here, recessed sink, light, fan, and a nice microwave up above. Good storage down below. Take a look at this. It's got the drain going down, but there's plenty of storage all the way around it. Little slide out, folds down to a couch, has a built-in armrest with a cup holder, nice tray in back, pull down shades. Queen island bed, again 3,300 pounds, queen island bed, short trailer, lightweight, entertainment center, DVD player, air conditioner, electric awning, storage all the way across the front, nightstands with outlets. If you have a CPAP like I do, you got a place for them. Let's take a look outside. We're going to grab a hold of the grab assist handle, which is nice. Electric awning, outdoor speakers, porch light. We have pass-through storage here. And then we have outlet here if you want to hook a solar panel. Down below, not up on the roof. Outlet here. Vent for your stovetop. Exhaust for your furnace. Entrance for service work on your refrigerator. Vents clear up on the top. Stabilizer jacks. Low point drains easy to get to. Full-size spare tire right in the back of the unit, mounted on your bumper, which is where you put your sewer hose. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Water tank. Dump station's easy to get at. Power cord, cable satellite hookup. City water. This is water that you're going to carry with you, and then there's a low point drain down here. Again, the other side of your pass-through storage. And up front, storage for 2 batteries. Every slide out that we have gets 2 batteries on our delivery. Propane tanks filled, customer care kit, sewer hose, water hose. God, there's so much stuff. You must have a question. Call me. You can do it direct or use my email. My phone number is 541. You are writing this down, right? 541-554-9581. Thanks for your time.